Not every dye is created equal. And here we have this dye here. I'm not gonna name names, but this dye is in liquid form, and you can see here how strong it is. This basically was 1/4 of a teaspoon per 1 ounce of water, okay? And I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of the DyeBold Dyes here. And to make the same concentration, I actually had to add 9 ounces of water. 9 ounces of water. Hi, Steven. Yeah, this is how concentrated the DyeBold Dyes are. And you can see, and it's still actually more concentrated than this one right here. So, and as you can see, there's no residue at all. There are no flakes. These dyes, they dissolve by themselves, really. I don't even have to mix it. All I have to do is put hot water. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Now, I will not be naming names here. You guys can feel free to do your own testing, but don't believe everything that you hear. So this is, again, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the DyeBold Dyes per 9 ounces of water is the same concentration as 1/4 of a teaspoon of these dyes right here, the mystery dyes, per 1 ounce of water. And you can see it again. That's how concentrated it is. And pretty incredible. All right, so this is a video showing the DyeBold Dyes. This is 1 microscoop of blue per 100 milliliters of water, 1 microscoop of red per 100 milliliters of water, and 1 microscoop of yellow per 100 milliliters of water. And so put the microscope in, add hot water. So I have less than 100 milliliters here because I've already been doing some testing, but I just want to show you the result of the testing. So this is what my blue looks like. This is what my red looks like. And my yellow. So now, if I mix 1 milliliters of blue and 1 of red, it'll give me a nice purple, and this is the purple. Okay, now if I mix 1 milliliter of red per 1 of yellow, it's going to give me a nice orange. Okay, so orange. All right, and if I mix 1 milliliter of blue per 1 milliliter of yellow, that should give me a nice green. So this is why the DyeBold Dyes are so easy to work with. They're evenly balanced. So this is my green, and I'm gonna put it right next to the blue here. Okay, now if I mix all 3 colors, if I mix 1 milliliter of blue, 1 of red, so now I have purple, and to overcome the purple I need to add what? Yellow, right? So 1 of yellow. Now I should have, according to color theory, I should have a brown, and this is my brown. So we actually don't need brown in our kit. We just came up with it because of request of one of our dyers. So we're always working to improve our methodology, and our system is actually the easiest system of carpet dyeing. That's why it's called Carpet Dyeing Made Easy, because it actually makes sense. It's very intuitive, and our dyes are matched with our DyeBold app. So We use the blue, the red, and yellow. We don't use the magenta, cyan, and yellow. And so that's why our app reflects that color. So if you're having a hard time with carpet dyeing, it could be that the dyes you're using are not well balanced or they're not fit to work together. So as you can see, these dyes are beautiful. So I can actually make from a brown to a black by changing the formula a little bit, but our kit does come with the black as well as the brown and the blue, the red, and the yellow. All right, if you have any questions, you can let me know. My number is 813-320-4000, 320-4000. Thank you for watching.